6 big benefits of eating broccoli every day. Broccoli has a lengthy history of being regarded as one of the most despised veggies. When you were a youngster, it's likely that the broccoli on your plate stayed untouched until your mother told you that you couldn't leave the table until you swallowed it down. Perhaps you could visualize the bits of broccoli as little trees and yourself as a hungry giant to make the whole process more bearable, or was that just me? But I'm here to tell you that eating broccoli shouldn't be a difficult task. Why? Because the health advantages it provides are near miracle-like. Plus, as you become older, you're more inclined to love the flavor. Here are 6 reasons why you should eat broccoli on a daily basis. As a result, stay with this video till the end. 1. Broccoli helps you eat less while feeling fuller. Broccoli is a high-fiber vegetable. A single serving has 3.8 grams of protein, roughly 15% of the recommended daily value. Fiber is a nutrient that is both useful and adaptable. It helps to regulate bowel motions, decrease cholesterol, control blood sugar, preserve bowel health, and aid in reaching a healthy weight, according to the Mayo Clinic. One of the most intriguing properties of fiber is that it delays digestion, allowing you to feel satisfied for longer after you eat. This might be beneficial for folks who are trying to reduce weight or who are seeking for a mid-afternoon snack to tide them over until supper. 2. Broccoli has vitamin C. You usually think of oranges and bananas when you think about vitamin C-rich meals. Despite the fact that both are abundant in vitamin C, they pale in comparison to the quantity found in broccoli. Broccoli has a whopping 220% of the daily recommended amount in a single serving. 3. Broccoli can help you recover quicker. Vitamin C supplementation on a regular basis may help in recuperation from strenuous exercise. 2-week research indicated that individuals who ingested 400 milligrams of vitamin C daily, approximately 132 milligrams in a single serving of broccoli, had better muscular function and less muscle pain after exercise. Broccoli is high in vitamin C, which is necessary for tissue growth and repair throughout the body. Vitamin C, according to the University of Maryland Medical Center, aids in wound healing and bone and tooth health. Vitamin C also aids collagen synthesis, which is required for the formation of cartilage, ligaments, tendons, blood vessels, and skin. 4. Broccoli is a cancer-fighting superhero. Broccoli is one of the most powerful anti-cancer foods available at Icon Meals. Broccoli belongs to the Brassica genus of plants, which also includes kale, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage. In a 1996 study, researchers discovered a link between Brassica intake and the development of stomach and lung cancer. According to the authors, it is concluded that a high consumption of Brassica vegetables is associated with a decreased risk of cancer. This association appears to be most consistent for lung, stomach, colon and rectal cancer and least consistent for prostatic, endometrial and ovarian cancer. Broccoli's high fiber and vitamin C levels make it a cancer-fighting vegetable in addition to being a Brassica vegetable. Dietary fiber convincingly decreases the risk of colorectal cancer, while vitamin C probably lowers the risk of esophageal cancer, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research. 5. Broccoli destroys inflammation. Inflammation is the human body's worst enemy. As a natural defensive mechanism, inflammation develops when blood and fluid collect in a specific location. Inflammation, if left untreated, can prolong the healing process. Chronic inflammation depletes your vitality and can lead to illnesses like arthritis. Sulforaphane and camphorol, a phytonutrient and a flavonoid found in broccoli, are particularly effective in fighting inflammation. 6. Broccoli is the original detox diet. In recent years, detox diets have been all the rage. Broccoli, on the other hand, is a complete food that naturally aids in the elimination of harmful pollutants from your body. Many phytonutrients present in broccoli, such as glucoraphanin, gluconesterone, and glucobrasicin, aid to detoxify contaminants and improve general health. Intervention with broccoli sprouts accelerates the detoxification of certain airborne contaminants and may provide a cost-effective strategy of attenuating their associated long-term health concerns, according to 2014 research. Disclaimer: this video is solely meant to provide general information and does not address specific circumstances. It is not a substitute for professional advice or assistance, and it should not be used to make any judgments. For the diagnosis and treatment of any medical issues, a professional physician should be consulted. Any decisions you make based on the information in this report are your own. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. If you're looking for weight loss secrets, have a look at this.